Hello, beautiful gems. How are you guys doing? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you my quick cleaning method for when company comes over, when you have company and you need to just tidy up just a bit, and my little empty nester quick cleanup, because we don't always have a lot of dishes all of the time, but sometimes we have a few little things that just need to be tidied up and a few little spaces. So I'm gonna show you what that's like and do some quick cleaning. So you guys stay tuned. And if you hear any sound, sorry about that. We've got company and I was already cleaning, so we've got company and unexpected company, no less. But you know, we love people, we love our family, so, and it's nobody but my daughter. So all right, so what I'm gonna do is I have started finishing this room behind me, and I'm gonna do this video and bring it to you, what I'm doing with the Marie Kondo method, the KonMari method. So I will be bringing this to you in a video soon. Thought we were going to get to it today, but it's not gonna do today. And I'm gonna put up this curtain because I need to cover up that area. They're having a good time. So anyway, let's clean. It's Saturday, guys. Guys, so I really hope you enjoyed that. It was fun and quick. So yeah, just tidying up the kitchen. That's basically the big spaces where, you know, when you have company that people come, of course, in the living room, but they're all watching Hulu. Everybody's watching Hulu, so you know how we do. Company comes, you got to do a quick clean. It doesn't matter who they are. So got that quick clean in. We're empty nesters, so we don't mess up a whole bunch every day, as long as we follow the practices of really picking up behind ourselves and doing a little bit each day. So hope you're enjoying this protective style I got going here with my cleanup day, and I will see you guys really soon. I hope you take hope you're cleaning and having fun and tidying up your house and just enjoying your life. A tidy house gives you more time to enjoy your life and enjoy the good things in life and the important things in your life. So I'll see you guys in the next video. And cleaning is a spiritual experience. It really is. And so when you can tidy up and you can clean up your spaces, then you can be free to live happy and a joyful, amazing life. All right, guys, that's what we're doing over here in the new year. Have a wonderful evening. Have a wonderful day whenever you're watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye, guys. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I put out a new video. And subscribe. I know you want to be a part of the family. I sure want you to be a part of the family. And guys, I love you so much. Happy New Year. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Love you.